Hi, I'm Katarina and I deep clean my followers' homes for free. This house owner daughter approached me through Instagram and asked my help because they have a problem. And I'm here to solve those problems, cleaning problems and everything else too. So, in their bathroom they have a lot of calcium. In the shower glass door, on the floor, there's a lot of limescale on the floor. But it's alright. It's super easy to remove. And today I'm going to show you easy 5 steps tutorial how to remove that. Can't wait! If you want to see that, please keep watching. Can you see me? I can't see you.
So here we have grease stains and then calcium. So we need 2 different products, highly alkaline for the grease and acid for the calcium.
First I'm using oven cleaner. So now you might think that, oh, it's gone. It's not gone. It's only wet because you cannot see calcium if it's wet. Like, I'm gonna show you.
Here you can see this, but you cannot see that.
Okay, here we have, I don't know, maybe paint or something. So I'm using a scraper. Oh, comes off so easy.
Yummy!
Let's rinse it. So now I'm mixing citric acid and warm water. I have 100 grams of this. Here I have the citric acid. So I'm just gonna put this on here. Stick that in. Let's scrub it. So here I have the citric acid and scrub mummy. Okay, the problem is that this is going to be dry soon and the product is running down from this glass, so that's why I have a plastic wrap. Now
we have to let it sit there like 2 hours, at least 2 hours, I would say. So let's wait and then it's gone. Okay, now it has been here, I think 2 hours. So let's remove these plastic wraps and scrub it. Let's use scraper. Now I'm using Steel Daddy. We are happy, super happy. Okay, now it's done. This is the final result. I think it's pretty good. I love it. It was super fun, super easy. Because remember, I'm modestly the world's best cleaner. And look what my granny made me. It says Auri Katarina and TikTok, and it's super funny. Please comment below what is the hardest stain in your home, so I can make tutorial how to remove it. See you on next video. Bye bye, limescale.